Mastering Politeness in English. The Art of the Closing Wish. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a special phrase used in the English language, the closing wish. This is a phrase you might use at the end of a conversation or message to express goodwill and hope for the future. Let's dive into how this small but mighty phrase can make a big difference in your English communications. The closing wish is a polite expression used at the end of a correspondence or conversation. It's a way of sending someone off with good intentions and positive vibes. Common examples include, "Take care," "Best regards," and "Wishing you all the best." These phrases convey warmth and consideration for the person you are speaking with. You can use a closing wish in both written and spoken English. In emails and letters, it's often the last thing you write before your name. In conversations, it's what you might say as you're saying goodbye. The context determines the formality of your closing wish. Sincerely is more formal, while "see you later" is casual and friendly. Let's look at some examples. Formal: sincerely, regards, best wishes. Friendly: take care, catch you later, stay well. Business: yours truly, cordially, thank you for your consideration. Each of these serves a different purpose and sets the tone for the end of your interaction. That's all for today on the closing wish. By using these phrases appropriately, you can leave a lasting, positive impression. We hope this video has been helpful and we wish you success in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and take care.